and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the project overview of Kohinoor Kaladio Phase 2, which is located behind Decathlon Kharadi Pune and developed by Kohinoor Group. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which on the right hand side of me is the sales office of the project, and behind the sales office is the land parcel of the project. The road being shown to you right now connects you directly to the Upper Kharadi Road. Now, in this video, we are going to be discussing the below points, which are project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model, Kohinoor Kaladio Phase 2 will be constructed on 5 acres of land parcel comprising 4 towers with each tower of ground plus 21 and 23 floors respectively, which will be having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of the project. This project is located behind Decathlon Kharadi Pune. इस लोकेशन के कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है रिलायंस स्मार्ट विच इज़ विदिन 350 मीटर्स, अवलवाड़ी रोड विच इज़ विदिन 1.6 kilometers and Lifeline Hospital which is within 1.9 kilometers. Now, let me tell you about the amenities this project provides you with the help of project's 3D model. This project has over 35 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, gym, kids play area, yoga and meditation room, multi-purpose hall and many more. तो चलिए अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ इस प्रोजेक्ट के कार्पेट एरिया के बारे में. This project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies in which you will be getting 2 BHK starting from 730 to 820 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 880 to 1050 square feet of carpet area. Now, let us discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. The client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and the pricing schemes, and we'll share with you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the project overview of Kohinoor Kaladio Phase 2, which is located behind Decathlon Kharadi Pune and developed by Kohinoor Group. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com today to book your dream house.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.